Alright, this is the last thing I want to do in the game is open up the last cutscene that I haven't seen. The one with the Russian guy. Last time I was playing I did I guess you can call it a negative choice or a positive choice, and I protected the woman from him. It's fine, Grenadier is fine. Better scope, I suppose. On some new style. Leopard will do. Actually, let's go with rocket launcher. I never done the rocket launcher, so let's check this one out. Yeah, heart is fine. I guess let's get more primary ammo. Why not? We have the money. Unskippable cutscene, thank you very much.
I have marked each point with a red X.
Oh, you are my new favorite Russian.
I put coordinates in GPS. Place bomb at locations, and I'll cover you from here.
There you go.
Just go easy on the spray and pray, all right?
No promises.
Come on, partner.
Don't leave my ass hanging out here. I can't shoot with this beast.
Alright, I guess I'll carry it. Cover me and stuff.
Shoot the bombs!
Last time I was the one covering Tyson. I guess I gotta put it down or something. So I'm gonna die here. That was a guy there, right? Well, that was definitely was risky. Series of events. That's a giant bomb. I don't know how they can possibly get it. Wow, that's not really useful. Well, what game is achievement pick us up the bomb? Is it from Left 4 Dead? Because I remember the name found an quite nice rolls of your tongue. Pick us up the bomb. Where is the second one? It's here, alright.
About Chinese New Year, you bastards!
Where are all the enemies? I remember when Dice was carrying it, there were like a ton of them.
Are you gonna get my back wheels? Kinda carrying a giant box of C4!
Good. Come here. We want show from over here. I'll detonate when you both arrive.
Heavy gear and shotgun! God, I love blowing shit up. Okay, it begins.
Fastest therapy in the world.
I can feel my PTSD just floating away.
So it's been good time, Americans. Let's head down. It's time for us to say happy trails.
Let's check out another gun. Probably sort of a shotgun. Let's go with a shotgun. Barrel fine, stock. Whatever. I think this front mount is a bit easier to use. Style again, something we haven't had. Bubbles fine. Where are we going? I was just following him. No. Whatever. I believe it's this way. Is it not this way? I guess it is not that way. But opa! Yes, we got a new part. Actually, what part was it? I didn't even switch the shotgun as per usual. What part did we get? So would be in the end, right? All the ones that I haven't purchased yet were in the end. Maybe it was some kind of part for this things. Oh, we haven't bought this one yet. Let's buy it. I guess let's buy another style since we're here. Crap, we don't have enough money anyway. I don't know, I'm gonna look it up later. Come explore around, because you know there probably won't be any more parts here, but it's possible that there will be cats. So let's see if I'm gonna find any cats. Not that I have any hope now that I'm gonna get all the cats, but it's better to get them than not to get them. Maybe sometime in the future I'll make a comeback to the game. No, it's a pretty good game. Or it's down where we're going, not up. Oh, he's literally down. Rough. I don't think there are any on that side. Now I think some of them are on that side.
out, look after only themselves.
They were stronger together. Well, now we all can be brothers. Three amigos.
Last time he was cracking jokes here. Now he's talking about brotherhood. Well, that is also nice, yeah, like when games have varying dialogues. I chose the wrong moment to pick up a shotgun, especially a shotgun like that, which is definitely close combo.
Solid work.
Done. Shotgun was busted. Wait, why didn't I just fall? I was expecting to just fall. Now, here, please.
You have no idea how much this hurts.
My plan was to just fall down, and so yeah, I immediately would be behind those boxes. But I sort of walked down.
I'm covering.
Alright, time to make a different choice.
Okay, Americans, it was fun, but now you must give me some private time.
Wait, are we seriously gonna let this happen?
What's the deal, Brezhnev?
It's none of your business. Go now, before I stop liking you.
I don't know if we can do that.
All of a sudden, you are men of conscience? Shame. Well, let me help you a little. I give you cash to walk away. Easy money.
Salem, take the money.
What? Really?
Who are we to talk? Look at what we've done today already.
Listen to your friend. Perhaps you can buy yourself a nice shirt or a shiny new gun.
Just give me the damn money.
Well, first of all, 75 grand, wow, that's a ton of money. And second of all, yeah, he seems very shady. I mean, he's even offering money rather than explanation, which seems just ridiculous. It doesn't seem to be, honestly. This, I think, this choice is the weakest choice written into the game. Because I feel like the ending choice gives you a bit more to think about. Even I think there is only one logical choice at the finale. I still think that there is more reason into it. It's cleverer than this. Well, right. Anyway, I mean that was it. That was all there was that I wanted to do about Army of Two. I honestly enjoyed the game. The game is very crisp. You know, The aim is pretty good. I mean, obviously I have problem with controller, and I'm not sure if it's me or the limitations of controllers that are at fault. But the game is pretty great, you know, within my own ability it was extremely crisp. I didn't have any problems with it. I think I was grumpy like during only one playthrough that I was doing that I was grumpy. You know, like when you play this game you really can't complain about anything. And you know, it's a fun game, it's a well designed game, well programmed game. It's not all that well written, but I mean, this isn't the kind of game that you play for single player. It's a co-op game, and you're supposed to play it for co-op. Maybe when those choices come up, you debate with your partner a little bit, something like that. So yeah, I mean, the writing is good enough for a game like that as well. So you know, this game is definitely for the kind of genre it is, for the kind of style that the game is. It's a game that is as good as it can be, really. I mean, what else can you possibly, what more stuff can you possibly want? I don't know. If the game was longer, I'd say that it needs more variety, because by the time I finished it up I felt like it was lacking variety. But the game isn't short. I think it has plenty of replay value. Doing all those stuff, doing all those, you know, side achievements, trying out all the weapons. Like, it's, you can run games, you know, on a scale from 1 to 10 or whatever like that, but this isn't the kind of game where you would say that it's a masterpiece. But again, for the style that it is, for what the developers were trying to achieve, it's as good as it's gonna get. So, great game, can recommend. And it was a pleasure playing it through, and it was a pleasure playing it through for you, the viewers. So, on this part I bid you farewell, and the next game I'm gonna play Forza Horizon, or Forza Motorsport 4, I think, the last one for 360. So you have that looking forward to, but I don't know how I'm gonna play that through, because it's a bit more of a, there isn't really a single player there. It's more of a, you know, racing game. Just, you know, you pick a track and you race against it, against people online. So that's the decision I need to make. How am I gonna play the game through? Alright, yeah, I already said my goodbye, so yeah, once again, it's a pleasure, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.